Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie, and today I just wanted to show you how I've been planning in my planner. I haven't filmed it. I've been struggling to survive through the snowstorm and getting back into my routine. So next Sunday we will get back to our normal plan with me's. If you like those type of videos, let me know in the comments down below so that I can know that this is something that you enjoy. Alright, so I don't even know where I am in here, so we're going to go through. Here is this the week before the storm. I think we did this plan with me together, so that's it written in. I didn't do anything over here. Didn't do anything over here, just kind of filled it in with what I had going on. Over prepared yet so prepared. This was the week of the snowstorm, so I put all the things I did. I worked from home that week. And here's February. I've done the monthly blood work. We should have the results of those soon, maybe in tomorrow's video. I'll have a follow-up with my doctor. I've got some meetings. This is the week that I'm going to be a student for a week and be listening in on various classes. And this is how I set up the first week. And then I went ahead and I set up this upcoming week because I was there. So I'm prepared for this upcoming week. It's Valentine's week. It's Galentine's week. So we're excited about that. Let's move on to my fitness planner that I have not been keeping up with. I was sick that week. I worked out 3 times that week. I walked for 30 minutes, rode for 30 minutes. Oh, I see. I walked for 30 minutes, then I rode for 30 minutes, rode for 30 minutes, rode my bike for 30 minutes. And then I rode on a level 2 that Sunday. I was sick these 2 days, but I did row that night because I didn't think I was sick. I thought it was just, just a thing. Well, no, I was not feeling well. On this night, I walked for about 60 minutes. This is the night that I wanted to hit 10K steps. I had my liver scan on that Friday. We've already talked about that. Everything is fine. I went shopping on this day, so shopping was my cardio. I did not row that night. I instead rode 30 minutes on Sunday. And my weight has been staying steady at 122.2. The ounces go up and down. I didn't row that night. 18th. This was the week of the snowstorm. We did not. There was nothing happening there. And I think, yeah, I moved February over to here. I haven't set up that week, but I want to set up this upcoming week. So, I weighed myself Monday, still hanging at 122. This past week I did my walking pad. I walked for 20 minutes, ran for 15, rode for 30 minutes. Walking pad, walked for 20, ran for 10. Didn't record those. I have to go look through my Fitbit, but let's get back into our routine and plan for this upcoming week in my fitness planner, because it's very important that I stick with my fitness plans. And I noticed in these Target 12 months of the year stickers, they do have workout. Yeah, like they have gym, stay fit, coffee and cardio, gym, yeah, just those, because they just repeat. It's pretty much the same thing. Okay, so we won't use those. I don't know that I'm going to necessarily track my food. It's just too much. I think what I can do is I want to really focus on drinking water. So that's going to be my focus every day. So we'll put these down. You know, I have these big ideas and things that I want to do, but in real life, nobody's got time for all the things my anxious mind comes up with that I need to be doing. So, we're going to tone that down just a little bit and stick with the main things. Drinking water, not sodas. Eating smaller portions, healthier portions. Let's see here. Sundays are the me days. Let's, instead of doing a food log, make it pretty and inviting. Okay, steps we want to keep up with. I don't know on the weekends if I'm going to keep up with my water. We'll see. We're still trying to figure out what we want to do in this planner and how far I want to go in tracking everything. And the main thing is lose weight, eat healthy, exercise. Not so much the numbers, but I do kind of like the number thing. Sundays are usually my weigh-in days. Okay. So, we will put our me time up here. Gonna give myself a mani. Need to unplug on this evening and go to bed early. Because another thing I want to start working on is a bedtime and wake up routine. Because, you know, We go to bed at 10 one night. We go to bed at 12 one night. We don't know. It's all kinds of nonsense. Alrighty then. Let's see here. This is all about that. Okay. Sorry, I know this is taking a little while. I need to figure out what in the world I have going on here, and where are my stickers that I need. Alright, let me go find them. This will take me forever. Okay, found them. Turned the page. Isn't that how it always ends up? So here is where I will log what I do, and I'm not going to pre-plan what I'm going to do, because sometimes I don't feel like being on the walking pad. I want to row. So we're going to be realistic about that. Okay. I'm okay with listing the amount of calories that I burn. Okay. Then we have this one. This is a rest day. I would like to get some strength training in there. Like I could do cardio arms, cardio abs. But we don't want to pre-plan because we don't know what we're going to do. That may be about it. This is supposed to be in a work planner, but it's a goal setting. This is like a health and wellness. I think that would be good to put up here. Listen to your body. And you are stronger than you know. And I think that's going to be it for what I do in here, because the rest of them are just stuff. Alright guys, so that's it. Short, to the point. We are ready for the upcoming week, and I will do a better job because I'm back in my routine. And we're going to see how the numbers change, hopefully. Don't forget, I'll be back on Monday, tomorrow, and I'll let you know my blood results. Alright guys, I'm going to go paint my nails pink for Valentine's Day. I hope that all of you have a wonderful Valentine's Day and a wonderful week. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up or hype it. Let me know in the comments below if you like to have these types of videos. Usually I have myself together a little bit more, but it's early morning, okay? We're not quite awake. We gotta go have coffee. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next one. Bye.